Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. Today we're gonna use this gold paracord 550 and the burgundy, also 550. The full tutorial how to make this two-strand bracelet core with two working ends you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box, where you can find the tutorial for this beautiful paracord project as well, so don't forget to check the information cards and the description box down below. Credit for this beautiful paracord bracelet goes to our brother Pavel Makurin, so make sure to check the description box down below where I will post the link to Pavel's Instagram profile. So that being said, we're gonna start. Now we're gonna take our gold paracord and we're gonna pass it from the top into the gap between the gold and the burgundy, or simply into the middle of the core, and we're gonna pull it to the side. We're gonna do the same with the burgundy color, so from the top into the middle and to the side. Now we're gonna pass the gold paracord from the top through the gap between the first and the second burgundy color. And we're gonna do the same on the left side, so from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand from the left, or the gold cords. And now from here we're gonna cross our burgundy and we're gonna pass it from the back through the middle, and then we're gonna return it from the top into the loop on the right side. Now we're gonna do the same with the gold, so from the back through the middle, and then from the top through the loop on the left. So here we are. Our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, wishing you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!